F1 smaller than both precision and recall in scikit-learn. I am doing multi-class classification, with unbalanced categories. I noticed F1 is always smaller than the direct harmonic mean of precision and recall, and in some cases, F1 is even smaller than both precision and recall. FYI, I called metrics.precision_score_y, pred, for precision and so on. I am aware of the difference of micro/macro average, and tested that they are not micro by using the category results from precision_recall_score_support. Not sure is this due to macro average is used or some other reasons. Second run. Overall. Definitions about micro/macro averaging from Scholarpedia. In multi-label classification, the simplest method for computing an aggregate score across categories is to average the scores of all binary tasks. The resulted scores are called macro-averaged recall, precision, F1, etc. Another way of averaging is to sum over TP, FB, TN, FN and N over all the categories first, and then compute each of the above metrics. The resulted scores are called micro-averaged. Macro-averaging gives an equal weight to each category, and is often dominated by the system's performance on rare categories, the majority, in a power law-like distribution. Micro-averaging gives an equal weight to each document, and is often dominated by the system's performance on most common categories. It is a current open issue in GitHub, number 83. Following example demonstrates how micro, macro and weighted current in scikit-learn averaging may differ. Confusion matrix. F5 above is a shorthand for F0.5.
Can you please update your question with the output of? That will display the precisions and recalls for each individual category along with the support and hence help us make sense of how the averaging works and decide whether this is an appropriate behavior or not.
If you want to see more possible